Hello everyone, my name is Connie Young and today I'll be showing you guys how to make mouse bookmarks. Let's get started. The materials you'll be needing are a glue stick, a pencil, a piece of paper, a black marker, a colored marker, and a pair of scissors or a ruler. First, grab your piece of paper and fold it in half. Now open up your piece of paper and cut along the crease, or you can use a ruler to rip it in half. Now take the right corner of your half sheet of paper and fold it over. Now you should be able to see a triangle and a rectangle. Use your scissors or ruler to cut out the rectangle. If you open it back up, you should be able to see a square. Now, take the right corner and fold it up. Now take the left corner and fold it up. Now you will be able to see a little square. Open up the flaps and take the top flap and fold it down. Now take the right corner and fold it into the flap. Now do the same thing for the left corner. Take the left corner and fold it up and into the flap. This will be the pocket for your bookmark. Now we're going to draw the face. Draw a little circle to the right and left of the crease. Now to draw the whiskers, draw two lines going out from the crease. Now grab your colored marker and draw the nose. Now for the ears, grab the piece of paper that you were using before and fold it in half. On the side that can open up, use your pencil to draw a curve going up and then coming back down. Now, using your scissors, cut out the curve that you just drew. Now, using the colored marker, draw a curve inside the ear. Now that you have the curve, color them in. Now take your glue stick and put a little glue at the bottom of the ear. Now grab the ear and tuck it behind the flap. Now do the same thing for the other ear. And there you go, you have your mouse bookmark. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button below and be on the lookout for more tutorials.